Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to use burn tool in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your any image and see this image. Use burn tool, mid-tone, shadow, highlights. Use mid-tone and 50% exposure. Then result it and use highlight, shadow, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.